now. It's not matter that you have a YouTube channel and you did not have a link or you did not link a Gmail to it. And then you'll be like, why? But wait, how do you expect people to contact you for collaboration or adverts or brands or protection of your YouTube channel? Which one of them? So in this video, I'm telling you how to add Gmail to your YouTube channel, and what? I have a tip for you in this video. So let's start. First, I would advise you to create a new Gmail account different from your YouTube channel so that your channel can be safe from hackers. Yes. So let's go. So how do you add your Gmail to your YouTube channel? First, you go to your browser, either Safari, Chrome, Opera Mini, any browser of your choice, and type in what? www.studioyoutube.com. Let's wait for a minute. Yes. When it loads, it might bring get the application or continue to studio. But always click what? Continue to studio. Then it's load. Click on customization. Yes, that one that looks like pencil icon. When it's load, scroll down. You will see what? Contact info. Add your Gmail, but make sure it is a very total different Gmail from the one used to create your YouTube channel. After adding it, then publish. Click on publish to save it. And now I have a tip for you. Yes. Did you know you can also add your other social media link like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, name them, anyone you like? Yes. So what do? Click on the same customization page. Click on what? Add a link. Then what? Give the link a title, like for example, TikTok. Then head over to your TikTok application. Click on share in your TikTok application. Then copy the link. Then what? Go back to your browser and paste the link there. Just be looking at my side. Are you seeing it? Then publish it. Then people can contact you either by Gmail or by other social media accounts. So I hope you found this video helpful and you were able to learn something from this video. Then you will love the video that pops up after this video. So what? See you in my next video. Thank you for staying true. Hi, I'm Olu Vibes. Bye.